Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The last session saw the gold gain 0.3% against the dollar. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The euro-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The Aussie-dollar pair saw a minor dip of 0.2% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
US stocks drifted to a mixed close, and yields jumped as election drive swings in financial markets worldwide. Bitcoin's price premium on Coinbase has plummeted to negative levels rarely seen, CryptoQuant data showed. US stock index figures edged higher on Monday ahead of manufacturing PMI data, with focus also on US labor market numbers later this week.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US JOLTS job openings will be released at 14 GMT. The US Redbook Index at 12:55 GMT. The Eurozone's Harmonized Index of Consumer Prices at 9 GMT. The Eurozone's unemployment rate will be released at 9 GMT. Japan's 10Y bond auction at 3:35 GMT. Australia's RBA meeting minutes at 1:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.